everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, I went to the Dollar Tree and here is a little heads up on some of the things that I picked up. Stay tuned. As most of you know, I do find ways to work in Dollar Tree items into my paper crafting because that is a fabulous way for us to save money. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways and the positive ways in which you support me and my channel. I like going to the Dollar Tree and just walking around, and sometimes items will catch my eye and I'll think, I bet I can do something with that. And I like doing that because it gives you options. Even if you don't have a Dollar Tree, a lot of the items that I'm using, comparable replacements can be found elsewhere. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money for them, but when we take them and use them in our paper crafting, y'all, we elevate them and take them to a whole new level. And so today I want to give you a heads up on 4 things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I picked up is this Gnome Garland, and I'm going to go ahead and just take it out of the pack so that you can see how cute it is. And it comes with the twine already attached to it. So you have these various colored bunny gnomes, and it's that hardboard, almost like chipboard or wood. It's the same hardboard that they use when they make those holiday signs that we always see in the Dollar Tree. But look at how gorgeous these are. There are so many different ways that we can use these, and I am definitely going to find some cute little crafts to be able to incorporate these little guys into the paper crafting because they are super adorable. You get 6 in the various colors, the mint green, the pink, and the blue. And it's $1.25 for all 6, including the rope that it's on. So for me, this is a pretty good bargain because I wouldn't hang this as garland. I will use this as something else. So even if I used it as a tag, I can take this and cut off that portion of the rope, and I instantly have a decorative tag for any project that I might be making. So I picked up several packs of these, and in a recent video I shared with you the tablecloth I used to make my own plastic paper. If you haven't seen that video, I will have it linked in the description box below. But these are the complementing napkins to that tablecloth, so I'm going to go ahead and just open this so that we can get a look at how this actually looks open. Y'all, these are big. This has to be about 18 by 12. That is a very large napkin. And check this out. You're able to immediately see what a beautiful notebook this would make because this would be the nice cover. Then we open it, we can place down everything else that we want to place on the inside. But this is a very, very beautiful napkin. I believe that it's 2-ply. And so we would just need to take off the white piece so that we can mount it to whatever paper we would want to mount it to. But these are the beautiful napkins that complement that tablecloth that we turned into plastic paper. Large napkins, you're able to get a lot from this. Then I bought some more napkins because I thought these were pretty and springy and would make great party favors if you're planning a wedding or a brunch or Mother's Day, any type of event that you're planning. This again is about 18 by 12, and look at how beautiful it is. So you don't have that white space in the middle. You have full coverage on that print. It is just so stinking cute, y'all, and this is something that you are going to see me using in my paper crafting, so I thought I would share that with you. And I picked up a few packs of these. And then the last thing that I picked up several packs of these 3-piece gift box sets. You can see how they have them outlined on the front. You can use these 2 for jewelry, and you can use this one for a gift box. But I have another use for these, and I have a video that's coming up tomorrow where you are going to see me do something drop dead gorgeous with these. And I hope that you'll be able to watch tomorrow, because the more of you that watch tomorrow, the more that video will get promoted, because I think it needs to be promoted because it is an excellent way to use these in our paper crafting. So I picked up several packs of these, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but it has like that alligator feel to it and the alligator look. These are classy even before I ever do anything to them, but y'all know that we really do kick it up a notch, and that's what we're going to do tomorrow with these. So I picked up several packs of these. So here are the items that I wanted to give you a heads up on today, because I am going to do a small amount of Easter crafting. I'm not going to do a whole lot, but I will do a little bit because it'll give you some ideas if you want to give something to a neighbor, a coworker, a friend, grandkids. These projects will give you some ideas on how you can use some of this in your crafting. But this is what I want you to focus on for tomorrow because it is going to be fabulous. So I hope you've enjoyed this little heads up video. If you have, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, but you're watching my videos, I would love to have you join my amazing online crafting family. As always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.